Quantum physics is directly connected to spirituality in the Matrix. You may have heard people talking about the double slit experiment, so I'm gonna explain that to you. Basically, a single photon of light is sent through these splits. They wanted to see if photons are particles or waves. So particles are more like solid matter, and waves are floaty things that we can't see, I guess. Essentially energy. When they shined the light through the slits, they were expecting to see particles on the other side, but they didn't. They saw an interference pattern, which is a wave-like pattern, meaning the photons were showing that they were waves, not particles. So they're like, photons are waves now? Did another one to see which photons were going through which split to see why it was behaving that way. So they see these little bits of matter. These are particles, not waves, where last time they saw waves. The only difference in this one is that there was someone consciously observing which slit it's going through. So when they sent the photons of light through these two slits, they realized that their results would change depending on what they were looking for. So if the observer was looking for a wave, they would find a wave. And if they were looking for a particle, they'd find a particle. That is how our universe works. That's how everything in this reality, in this matrix, feels so real, is because we perceive it to be particles, so it comes out looking dense. Of course it's gonna look dense. So one, this proves that things are really only there as long as we consciously perceive them to be there. Things only look solid because we perceive them to be solid particles. But this also teaches us something so much cooler. Our consciousness has a direct effect on our reality. A direct effect on our reality. Think about that. All this makes you a creator.